Hi everybody, today we will talk about how to fix Sketchbook app. We click on settings. In this page, you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above, you can search about Sketchbook. Here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you can click OK. Then you can enter to storage. Here in this page, you can click on clear cache. In the end, you can turn on your airplane mode, and then you can turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.